Okay, we're back. So I never thought that would happen to me, but it actually did. So let's listen to it. Today, my experience about this dude. Wait. This happened like a couple of minutes ago. The face on the sunflower. This actually happened to me once, but I didn't know what it was because I actually thought it was on the pumpkin, pineapple, the bubble one, and I guess that's it. I thought it was only that, but it's on sunflower too. That made me think because I saw this little, you see the blue little flower? See that blue little flower? You see that little blue thing that's covered, that has green, 3 green dots over it? I saw that without the face of the face, so I thought that what it was. Oh yeah, plus I'm making the Hehe child, but also powerful mini movie. Yeah, boy, it's a short video, and so keep making short video.